Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll show you how to prepare rasam in an easy style. This is not the traditional way, but the taste is yummy. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start and have a look at the ingredients required. 2 small sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic. You can adjust the number of garlic you're putting in according to the taste. 3 green chilies. You can adjust the number of chilies you put in according to the spice level you want. 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. While tempering, we will need half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry whole red chilies, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Rasam Masala. This is the ready-made store-bought one that we get. Adding Rasam Masala is optional. If you have it, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip this. 2 to 3 pinches of asafoetida or hing, 5 to 6 curry leaves, oil for cooking. So let's start by preparing a paste for our Rasam Masala. So for that, I have a mixie jar. We will first add in our tomatoes. So here goes in the tomatoes. Next goes in the green chilies, garlic cloves, peppercorns, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Now we will pulse this mixture until it's nice and chunky. Please make sure that you don't make a paste out of it. We need some chunky bits of garlic, tomatoes and everything that we have put in. So after pulsing for 5 to 6 times, our mixture looks like this. This is exactly what we are looking for. Now moving on to the gas stove. So here I have a pan on medium heat. We are going to pour in some oil, around half tablespoon. We will let the oil heat up. Oil is hot now. I'm going to add in the mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Next we will add the curry leaves and our red chilies. Now we will add in the tomato garlic paste that we prepared. With this, I will add in the turmeric powder and a rasam powder, some salt, 2 to 3 pinches of asafoetida or hing. Mix this. We will let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So tomatoes and other masala is dry now. Now I'm going to add around 2 cups of water. Also I will add in some dal. This is like watery dal. Adding dal is optional, but I like the taste of dal in my rasam, so I'm going to add it, but you can skip. Next goes in our tamarind pulp. Next I will add in some coriander leaves. So our rasam is almost ready. At this point, check for the seasoning. Our rasam has come to a boil. Now it's time to turn off the flame. Now here our rasam is all ready to be served. I'm serving this along with plain steamed rice today. Do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.